Tactile learning, also known as kinesthetic learning, is a style of learning where individuals grasp information more effectively through physical activities and hands-on experiences. This learning style contrasts with auditory and visual learning, which rely more on hearing and seeing information, respectively. Examples of tactile learning include activities such as building models, conducting experiments, and participating in sports or dance. In a classroom setting, tactile learners benefit from using tools like manipulatives in math, science labs, and interactive simulations. For instance, a student might understand geometric concepts better by constructing shapes with clay or using blocks to solve algebraic problems. Similarly, in science, performing a dissection or conducting an experiment can help tactile learners grasp complex biological processes more concretely. One of the key benefits of tactile learning is that it can make abstract concepts more tangible and easier to understand. By engaging multiple senses and involving physical movement, tactile learning can enhance memory retention and comprehension. For example, when students physically engage with the material, they are likely to remember the lesson better because the act of doing creates a stronger neural connection than just listening or reading. Tactile learning can also be particularly beneficial for students with ADHD or other learning differences, as it allows them to channel their energy into productive activities, helping them stay focused and engaged. Additionally, tactile learning fosters the development of motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Activities like drawing, sculpting, or assembling objects require precision and coordination, which can be useful in everyday tasks and future careers. This hands-on approach also encourages problem-solving and critical thinking skills, as students often have to figure out how to manipulate objects or navigate physical tasks to achieve a goal. However, tactile learning does have its weaknesses. One significant challenge is that it can be resource-intensive. Not all educational institutions have the necessary tools, materials, or space to provide ample hands-on learning opportunities. This limitation can make it difficult to implement tactile learning consistently across different subjects and grade levels. Another downside is that tactile learning can sometimes be less effective in situations where detailed theoretical knowledge is required. For example, subjects like advanced mathematics or literature analysis may not lend themselves as well to hands-on methods. In these cases, a combination of learning styles might be necessary to ensure comprehensive understanding. Moreover, tactile learning can be time-consuming. Activities that involve building, experimenting, or creating can take longer to complete compared to traditional lectures or reading assignments. This can pose a challenge in a curriculum with strict time constraints. To learn about more learning styles, check out the videos on the screen now.